Welcome to the Performance Management 365 Applications demo session. Let's have a quick look at the application. This application is a built on Microsoft 365 platform to use its inbuilt security and advanced infrastructure. This application is designed to streamline and automate the process of managing employee performance, setting goals, tracking progress, providing feedback, and many other activities. Let's move to Add Users and Other Setups. The users, including various roles such as user, manager, HR, and admin, can be incorporated here. All users can be synchronized from Microsoft 365. Categories serve as a group to the key result areas, and you have the option to add categories with their corresponding weightage percentage. All KRAs can be included within this context, and the same applies to the goals. A role template is used to group the KRAs and assign them to employees based on their job titles. Similarly, a goal template is utilized to group the goals and assign them to employees based on their job titles. Add Appraisal Cycle. Here you can add an appraisal cycle. Set of any duration such as quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly. You can define the appraisal start date, an end date, and review the start date of the appraisal cycle. Usually review start date is the initiation of the appraisal cycle. Time duration for the employee where they can complete the self-review. Similarly, appraisers are given X number of days window to give their employees review, and so on. Once you add the appraisal cycle, then you can add the users over here. Employee Review. This is how the employee's view looks. On the day the self-assessment is initiated, employees receive an email notification along with this assessment page, so no appraisee goes unnoticed. Here at KRA, all KRAs are categorized by category. Employees provide their performance rating and can justify it by adding a comment. Similar is the case for goals. The overall rating is displayed here. The summary and plan can be completed and finally signed and submitted from here. Once the form is completed, it moves to the next step of the appraiser's assessment. Manager Review. Managers all direct reportee reviews displayed over here. From here, the manager can rate the employee's performance and justify this with a comment. Similar is the case for goals. The overall rating is displayed here. Fill in a summary and finally sign and send the assessment. An additional assessment can be requested here from another manager. All additional appraisal requests are displayed here, and managers can review them from here. HR Review. This is how the HR view looks. All appraises are displayed here with their manager appraisal status. The manager can contact HR to edit the assessments. HR can check and submit the assessments here. The request to extend the self-assessment is displayed here. HR can extend it accordingly. Once the review cycle is completed, the HR head can complete the appraisal cycle by releasing it from here. Once the HR head clicks on release, it notifies all the managers mentioning that their review cycle is completed. Now they can go and convey to their direct reportee about their performance review. The assessment cycle is completed here. Review Reports. Performance Management 365 allows you to easily generate reports for appraises of current and past appraisal cycles. Here, all the information about the appraisals of employees and their managers is available, can be viewed in detail, and can download reports in Excel format. Dashboard. Performance Management 365 comes with multiple dashboards that give you an overview of your key performance indicators and overview organization. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of how many users are currently in the current appraisal cycle and how many appraisals are still pending for these employees. You also get a quick overview of how many appraisals are still pending and how many have been completed, as well as the weighted average score. Here you will get the much more details of the organization like headcount, how many full-time employees, gender diversity ratio, average age and average employee tenure in the organization. 360-degree feedback. A manager solicits feedback for self and also for his or her team members from multiple sources, such as peers, reporters, supervisors, and others. This holistic view provides a more comprehensive assessment of an individual's performance. All requested feedback is displayed under Feedback Request, received feedbacks is displayed under Received, and provided feedbacks is displayed under Given. The user can submit the feedback they requested via the action. The user evaluates and justifies it by commenting. One-on-one meeting. The Performance Management 365 application helps schedule and track one-on-one meetings. It allows for quick scheduling of meetings using templates. Here you can create a template with a set of conversation and action items to be discussed with participants in the meeting. Here you can see how users can schedule a meeting by selecting a template with the date and time of the meeting. Recurring meetings can also be set up for monthly and quarterly along with the duration. Once the meeting is over, all discussion points can be captured and actionable items can be turned into tasks. These tasks are automatically assigned to selected owners and you can set a due date. Performance Management 365 sends a notification to the owners of the task if it is not completed in time. All scheduled meetings are displayed here and can be tracked. The meeting can be rescheduled or canceled from here. It will then be updated in the Outlook calendar. The manager can see his or her task under My Task and update the status and add a comment. In the same way, your employees' tasks are displayed under the Team task. OneonOne come in handy and provides information to employees and managers for ongoing performance management. Settings. Here you can tune the application as per your choice. Here you can configure the date format and select the final rating for appraisal review as per your choice, such as absolute rating, average rating percentage, and weighted rating percentage, and add the brand logo. Here email notification content can be edited as per choice. Different notifications are sent to employees, managers, and HR during appraisal cycle, and 360-degree feedback email notification content can be edited here. Here under Features, you can add different rating scales, feedback rating scales, verbatim final ratings, and appraisal cycles. Microsoft Teams application. Performance Management 365 is built for Microsoft Teams. There is no additional integration or compatibility needed. It works out of the box on Microsoft Teams. Security. We don't store any of your users' data on our cloud. All the information and data stays in your Office 365 tenant, except the person who installed the app, which is the bare minimum needed for licensing, subscription, and renewal needs. New features. Our team is constantly working to improve our product and provide you with the best user experience. We are continuously adding new features that we think you will love. To learn more about these features and how they can benefit you, please check the description of the video for a link to our website and a video of new features. We are pleased to present you with a selection of other applications that we feel it will be a great fit for your organization. If you're interested, you can request a live demo by following the link provided in the description or by visiting the website. Thank you for spending time with us. There is a lot more to explore, so if you're ready, you book a time with our team to help in setting up a trial in your Office 365, or you can send an email to us at trial@hr365us.